In the cold, vast expanse of space, there exists a moon that defies the very essence of what we know about moons. It's not quiet and desolate like Earth's moon. No, this one is alive, furious, and filled with unbridled chaos. This is Io, Jupiter's volcanic wonder, and it's far from the silent celestial body we imagine moons to be. Recently, NASA's Juno spacecraft made history, diving closer to Io than ever before, capturing the moon in all its fiery glory. It was no ordinary flyby. This close encounter, just 1,500 kilometers from Io's surface, unveiled a spectacle so intense, so unimaginable, it could make the most seasoned space explorers pause in awe. Io, in all its violent beauty, erupted in a way that sent plumes of lava and gases shooting into the void of space, adding yet another chapter to its eternal, fiery rage. Now, imagine standing on Io, if you could, which seems almost impossible. You'd witness something that no other place in the solar system can compare to, an endless dance of molten rock and superheated gases. It's an ongoing, violent storm of eruptions that happens all at once, at different points on its surface. A sight that might seem like it belongs in an action movie, yet this is real, a hellish realm in the cosmos, fueled by Jupiter's gravitational fury. The volcanic eruptions aren't just casual flares, some of them reach heights that could dwarf Mount Everest. The lava flows that carve through the surface are intense enough to melt through any concept of time, and the sulfuric hues paint a picture that's both beautiful and terrifying. But this isn't the end. The most mind-bending part of Io's volcanic fury is how it interacts with the very environment around it. The volcanic gases that Io spits into space don't just disappear into the ether, they form a massive plasma torus that encircles Jupiter, affecting its magnetic field and even contributing to the creation of auroras at the planet's poles. It's as if Io is fueling the life force of its parent planet, creating storms of charged particles in Jupiter's atmosphere that light up the sky in an ethereal display of cosmic power. This incredible, volatile activity is only possible because of the massive tidal forces exerted by Jupiter, pulling and stretching Io in ways that no other moon experiences. It's an ongoing battle of gravity, heat, and stress, and Io is constantly under assault, both from Jupiter and the gravitational pull of its fellow moons. Every twist, every turn in its orbit around Jupiter increases the moon's internal heat, keeping its surface constantly in motion. It's as if Io is a living, breathing entity, constantly reshaping itself with every eruption, every wave of lava that breaks through the crust. Juno's latest mission aims to unravel the deepest mysteries of this moon, investigating not only the eruptions but the hidden forces beneath. Is there a magma ocean beneath its surface? Could there be some form of life, or at least the conditions for life, in this extreme, seemingly inhospitable environment? As Juno races to gather data, it's uncovering the secrets that have kept scientists and space enthusiasts guessing for decades. But the excitement doesn't stop there. This recent flyby and the volcanic eruptions it captured are just the beginning. On February 3, 2024, Juno will return for a second ultra-close pass, promising to reveal even more about the inner workings of this fiery moon. Each encounter with Io is peeling back layers of mystery that will change our understanding of not just this moon, but also the very nature of volcanic activity in space. How did Io come to be this way? What forces shaped its fiery soul? Could it hold the key to understanding other celestial bodies that are similar, perhaps even harboring life or the potential for it? The Juno spacecraft is our window into this mysterious world, providing a front-row seat to the cosmic fireworks display that is Io. And as we stand on the cusp of more discoveries, one thing is certain: Io will continue to rage against the void, a relentless testament to the power and fury of the universe itself. Prepare for more jaw-dropping revelations, because as Juno continues its mission, we'll be witnessing the most intimate details of Io's volcanic fury, and it's a show you won't want to miss.